If you're running an n8n workflow that processes multiple items like analyzing stock, scraping data, and updating records, then you're probably doing it in a slowest way without even knowing it. By default, n8n processes everything sequentially, so one item at a time. It's still fine when your workflow is smaller, but when you're dealing with multiple data, bulk data, then it's a total time killer.
Stick with me because the setup I'm going to show you today will just make your execution much faster. Alright, just watch this. This is a stock analysis workflow that I built. By the way, this is just for the demo, so don't take the decisions too seriously. I've got this n8n table with all the stocks name, and this node is fetching all the data. Then it uses Perplexity to research each stock. Then this AI agent is analyzing the research and making a decision if it's risky or not. Then again, it's updating the table with all the result. This is pretty simple and straightforward, right? But watch what happens when I run this. It's doing everything one by one. Let's say I have multiple stocks in my list. Then I'll be sitting minutes and maybe hours waiting for it to complete. The main problem here is with sequential execution.
So how do we fix it? Sub-workflow. Now, before you think, oh great, more complexity. Instead of one workflow, we're creating another workflow to handle it. But trust me, this is much simpler than you think. Now the concept is very simple. Instead of doing everything in one workflow, we are doing it in two different workflows. The first main workflow will be handling the trigger and your data. And the sub-workflow will handle all the processing part. And instead of waiting for each sub-workflow to finish, we just file them all at once.
Okay, let me show you the setup. You see this all processing logic starting from the Perplexity research node all the way to the table update. I'm just gonna select all of this node, right click on it and click on this. n8n automatically creates a new sub workflow, moves all the nodes that you have selected there and handles all the connections, including the execute workflow trigger. It literally does all the heavy lifting for you, starting from the connectors to the parameters, everything already mapped. Now here's the secret, and this is what makes it parallel. In your main workflow, just open this node, click here, and you see this option, just turn it off. By default, it stays on, which means n8n will process one stock, wait for it to finish, and then move to the second stock, sequentially. And that's what makes it super slow. That's it. That's the only change you need to make. Now when it runs, n8n will fire a separate workflow instance for each stocks simultaneously, all of them running parallelly. Just watch this. You see how all the stocks are being processed at the same time. They're all running parallelly. And that's the power of parallel execution.
So yeah, if you're processing bulk data in n8n, the sub-workflow with parallel execution is the best friend of yours. And if this was helpful to you, give us a like and subscribe. And if you want something custom for your business, there's a link below in the description. You can book your first free appointment from there. And I will see you in the next one.